I have something to show you, and it has nothing to do with the Thomas the Train. Now, at the same time I unboxed these models, I received that laser machine. It's a Creality Falcon 2, a laser machine. Basically, it's a laser engraving machine. They say they don't want me to do a review unboxing video, so anyways, I'm not going to do the review. So I'm just checking the contents. I'm supposed to, here's the air assist. So thank you to X-Tool again for sending me another product. Definitely we are going to make more videos. I'm really excited to show you the new products that we're gonna make. We're gonna make some, here's the brand Creality Falcon 2 emergency stop, blah blah blah. So anyways, they say no review. Got the contents out of the box, and we have a honeycomb. This honeycomb is bigger than my X-Tool M1. That is good. So we are going to make some buildings for Thomas the Train line. Remember the buildings we made before, like Toby's shed, but this time this machine is faster, more powerful. Remember, not all the contents shown on this box come with the standard set. I was told that only for creators, it's some parts are included, like the honeycombs and rollers, blah blah blah. So shout out to X-Tool, and thank you for sending me this amazing product. Yeah, before we made this with the X-Tool M1, remember the qual whatever thing is. Unfortunately, this is not glued. I just assemble it as it is because we need to paint it first. Yeah, good content we are gonna create with this amazing machine. Stay tuned.